wa farmer wa ni owo case ye beka bia ma wo ye DC appointee na say DC ni ba also pap yi contractor money bi that has am kwaya man contracts onya contractor so no yi kwan no yi kwan na no yanti na beka che president Mahama say big push no money bi yeah
contractor
eti mu dia mu empower mu dia dey na besi industry ya ye wo mu ye media industry yi kura ye wo
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ghana and TV so one more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature about so so bit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them say munim dan if Mr. President baby home be from Mr. President ameje so o text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sa koye de o baby agenda MPP so the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. Yeah, they are what the new patriotic party and many kono. Yeah, they are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi. You are John the money Mahama the book at Neze Ibu idi. Yeah, me any am and for the Messiah. Dr. Ladma Mumba ma the NS assembly few. Now, once again, me catch a gun and mabunu and I say, I'm man yourself near no. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprimprint ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Contracts. Contract in any pan wa farmer wa ni owo case ye beka bia ma wo ye DC appointee na say DC ni ba also pap yi contractor money bi that has am kwaya man contracts onya contractor so no yi kwan no yi kwan na no yanti na beka che president Mahama say big push no money bi yeah
contractor
eti mu dia mu empower mu dia dey na besi industry ya ye wo mu ye media industry yi kura ye wo mu ya me patch for the past 8 years ye nim dia course wo ye nim senior NPP for a treaty NPP journalist mo dia na different mo opposition na mo value mu media mo ba power na mo refi na fa mo ho say platform bi so me wa na fa na mo ba yi mo na popular na ho na enya popular ya kwaka no abaka kira me say o say o eye bia ya titi de wo nkotira ba bia wo tira TV so nka me ho asembode asa ya nkoto eda ya nkoto ayeda Mustafa Hamida mi ya hu say sa amamo na obebu ye no ti na unemployment
what did you promises
dem go happen na me ba o wonim say ya titi wonim say wo Johnson how o Johnson problem na ka mo ko checking unso dodo a wo benom
ananto diapers anamanento diapers penfo diapers
go ebia na jata na pam na adwene ntia
ya titi so krobo ya
titi so kete so enti na appointment abono ne contract abono
de Joseph be
ni pa farmer no me say ne ho papa ne say na adwuma abrantie so wo che adwuma ne sa wonu ankasa kura no onim adwuma no na tese mana de oje ni sika woje de oje ne card call campaign woje na waba no wo che Ghana adwuma emma Malik Basantali nkwasi asema odi ko promise ni kromfo nyina wonya ba akukura wo enso ma egu akra no wodi wo mo atwasi na lady baako a me ref ni December kaya lady bi I think say last year say early this year and obe criticize NDC about why kokko me ref ni din why not na kokko ni mu odu kakra ewo GH1 ono dia Malika enyanwe
de ho fefe bi no na no beto to ma e friend say
NDC
for
then we enyanwe
odi Lily
Lily
Yeah, decent girl. I know her.
Decent. Anti position ya de ba ma lady no. Malik Bashatali de na ATM. Semfa. My yemfa mo. Unqualified. Otimi ko bie na no ka so unqualified, but the secret ni say enko okofa ga na we amfa. Na die hu ni say omo WhatsApp platform. Akwa bi na ya frɛ no Padmon anu odi NST no se omunya wi a ne e paase wo ba ko wi a ne asapa ya ma obi foforo asaba ne ya the party Ghana sika twa promise ma eti nkofo bebre omudi yawo ewo NDC party asiasiele mana omu wo fe kakra ne em se ya paase wo omunti no ade no omo appointment na amfa
Ekia myself no ade bi wa check
ebi mo kra ba TikTok kasa mobo hwe man ya woda so yi okay eyem chese eyem awreho se ono a pepre no ho ede ne nsa ene ne ho ene ne kra akose sa asem we mu na ebi anyame mu
bi on Ghana meka no ehia wa abraho bi social na papa nes can be ye can one ba ho a because benefo ne no pe no mote ase picketing ne demonstration ne no language o mote ase ano no enti fa ho jimbi because at the end of the day no me posting e ebo am emfa me ho ha wo ni we hia on so ba ho tie de be ka ho asem or it's up to you to show up what's in common ase it's mon share because posting no yes
so bia ka say we should go sell indomie ono ne ba to indomie ye na ka say be to indomie Ghana how when they be go school when they be nurse when they be midwife ni so annoying and frustrating. We should turn to armed robbers or we should turn to prostitutes. What exactly is the problem? The government must do better. Yeah, bring a need free. Our parents will suffer, thinking that at the end our kids will come and take care of us, and we are still home, still begging our parents for food. Why? I don't need a caricature. I want me them. What is it? What is it? Minister can't do something or do something. They don't go and sit on stations and be telling us that me pass mo omo be post no just can best no be post mo oba otifie. It's your child at home. It's how you go around talking as if you don't have empathy for nurses. Abba aden. It's not fiato. You want us come and go in the media and be crying, be looking for pity. Oh, when we're paying the school fees and we're paying the money to the ministries, you didn't do it this way. By doing some of them, will you fulfill your part of the promise? No, but another if you once. Yanko kana munkasi ye muadie. What are move viewers, recruitment move viewers. Are they? Since when did posting become like this? Is this how our seniors were posted? Catch us a yan ye post here. Ye sanko interview. Are they? Nam fama mon crofo. Ye can catch us any evidence. And people are selling slots all around. And mano kana ye mobo. Mamenka. Oh.
Na botra kraba. Enya bobo ya pragia. Ni enya whole president or inspector sadia we. Na minta kando di animu. E di asemo a ye de pragia tricycle aba ye de kosa ya de awukurase. Knowing very well say nkurase kwan bebre nya
oh the whole bad the whole brutal.
Ye wo ba bi asa bobo ya no entimi nko. Ana nipa no ya de no hia comfort. Because ambulance kofa obi a what the oxygen esilipa no so. Sane be nipa no betime nya home. Ni atimi rush ne de adu the nearest hospital. Abobo ya no oxygen wo. Sa tricycle no oxygen wo. Tricycle no will be oyade no obetimi adam ama ne ho ato no sa Ghana yem painfo yade a yede omu sie du prem kwa buruchire no tricycle ne betumi sa pepepe
President Mahama
because NDC appointees no ministers no CSOs no omo yade a chief executive officers no omo yade a sabe yemfo mu nsi sa pragia no I don't want to believe some entire candle ne ba yade a sa pragia no and abobo ya no na den be call hospital flight pam no den kwa brochire enti ya e wo from ho ye won kronkuma mu ne de sabe kwa apia ne aboa ye moa enti mo mfa pragia me dada he say ye de ade papa bi aba e de ade a free primary health care ye ni so adi hu na ye de me back kwa bena 8 years akraba ba nya sa ni so adi hu ni bi o wey say na mamuo ne tie de a ene yenye Ghana to no me ba kwabena 8 years yemfa ma no obeye bibia kama wonfa pragia ma Mahama what the yaka akoba ade ba ko ma san de aba ne say 24-hour match chicken kunda dada eno asa masoma udifo ne mama o musika no matumi ka ba akoko
Meaning baby ɔte ɛwɔ Virginia. Broche kura bi ase. Ɛbɛn Washington DC. Washington State. Ni mama ma ko ne sekan ku no simple no be jubilate. You am NDC fo nkwasi afo mbesu no masu. Obey disease. Osuro mi ntimi hu se me mo bi akoku no.
What is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill the water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar. Any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jina so. Anyone sign your money in our form. It is just so for to start this question. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to ask legitimate question. He did not ask out of ignorance.
He asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Me say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some not but when I some now can. That's what most people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I walk on, and just say, and your mabo and cost through.
But the
walk can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costo. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, oh my car, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, a buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about my cancer petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go forward there? What you say? And I know some man can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban Katimin Petro, and so
is right. Obisa
so at the end of
what I say,
the pastor is asking, say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in every. Abina and David, Nasa Bonton so for David. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted. But none from the MPP. None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?